If you're looking for true wireless earbuds that combine triple drivers, high-resolution audio codecs, active noise cancellation, well, the SoundPEATS H3 are worth a look. I'm Bruce from Desktop HiFi, and today we'll cover everything you need to know about the design, comfort, sound, active noise cancellation, and battery life, so you can decide if these earbuds are right for you or not. Now, the H3 earbuds feature a semi-transparent smoked finish. They just are really sleek looking, they are modern looking, they're lightweight, they're compact, and the in-ear design, it should fit most ears pretty comfortably, I think. Inside the box, you get the charging case, 3 sets of ear tips, and USB-C charging cable. With an IPX5 rating, these earbuds can handle sweat or light rain, making them suitable for workouts or commuting. These earbuds use Bluetooth 5.4 and support LDAC, aptX, adaptive, aptX, lossless, and this means high-res audio playback, especially if you're streaming from Android devices. Now, the triple driver system, that's one dynamic driver plus 2 balanced armature drivers, delivers detailed mids, detailed highs, whereas the active noise cancellation is rated at 55 decibels with 4 modes: adaptive, indoor, outdoor, and traffic. Now, the H3 also supports dual device pairing and the 60 millisecond low latency game mode. The earbuds they're generally comfortable for extended listening, though the fit can vary depending on the shape of your ear. The included ear tips help create a secure seal, and that makes the bass a whole lot better, just better bass response and better noise isolation. All right, so how do these things sound? Okay, so let's talk about sound quality. The H3 uses a hybrid triple driver system, right? Combining one 12-millimeter dynamic driver with 2 balanced armature drivers. Now, so that results in, I would think, a very balanced and detailed sound across the frequency range, right? Bass is tight, it's controlled, it has impact, and there's a real slam to it without overwhelming the vocals or instruments. So mids and highs are clean and natural, giving clarity to vocals and a sense of space in recordings. Across different genres, acoustic, jazz, electronic, and pop, these earbuds provide clarity and separation you don't often find, say, in mid-range wireless buds. If you like more bass, the SoundPEATS companion app lets you tweak EQ settings to your preference. For everyday listening, streaming videos, and casual gaming, the best sound quality here really does a punch above the price class that it's in, especially when using LDAC or aptX lossless on a compatible device. Now let's talk a little bit about the active noise cancellation. It works well for commuting or for the office environments, though it doesn't match premium earbuds from, say, Sony or Bose. The transparency mode is functional, letting in ambient sound when you need to and stay aware of your surroundings. Battery life is roughly about 7 hours per charge, with a total of around 37 hours using the charging case. A quick 10-minute charge gives you approximately 2 hours of playback. The case is compact and pocketable, so it's convenient to carry around all day. So just the pros and cons of the H3s. Here's a quick summary. The pros: the triple driver sound, the high-resolution codecs, effective active noise cancellation, solid battery life, and good build quality. The cons are that the ANC isn't exactly class-leading and there's no automatic wear detection. The fit can vary and the companion app can be a bit inconsistent at times. So overall, the SoundPEATS H3 are a strong mid-range option, especially for Android users who want detailed sound and high-resolution codecs. They're not for those seeking premium noise cancellation or automatic wear detection, but they offer excellent value for daily listening, gaming, and calls. So that's my look at the H3 earbuds. If you found this review helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more Desktop HiFi. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.